trim in the room here, one thing I'm doing right now is I'm just installing some shelves, and that's rather simple, easy task to do. About the hardest thing to do is to find out where your studs are. Now, if you've wired the room, well, actually, even if you didn't wire the room, it's a pretty easy guess that wherever there's an outlet, there's going to be a stud nearby. Generally, they're attached right to the edge of the stud, and usually, if you take about 1/4 inch off the edge of the plate, that the stud's going to be right there. And that's you drill into that spot, that's a pretty good bet you're going to hit solid wood. So now, if you didn't wire the room yourself, it's anybody's guess which side it's on. But because I wired the room, I know it happens to be on that side. Now, if you haven't got a stud, generally it's 16 inches over. Again, because I built the room, I happen to know I can't drill in here because I've got a heat vent in there. But I am going to put one bracket here and one behind me, and then put my shelf on. So I'd grab a couple of tools here, and I'm going 16 inches to the bottom of my bracket. Just put a little dot there, and being that my bracket's 8 inches high, that's going to put my shelf actually at up around 24 inches. So just load up my drill. Now I usually just put the bottom screw in first, and then what I do is I just take a level and I just set it so that the center bubble is right on top or up against the wall, and then it just rotates one way or the other until your shelf bracket is level, and we're level right about there. And just grab your drill and put another screw in the wall. So anyways, with the first bracket installed, the next thing we need to do is find the place for the second bracket. Now, typically your studs being 16 inches apart, you can just measure across to the next stud. But again, we've got the electrical outlet, and I happen to know which side of the stud it's on, so we're just simply going to cheat, and we're going to place it over that. Now, to actually level them up here, just put a level up against the wall, put your bracket in place, and then just simply move it up and down until you're nice and level. And once you've reached your level, just hold that there, grab a screw out of your collection, and in they go. And just verify that you've got everything correct, and you can sink your top ones in and then mount your shelf. So anyways, with the brackets in place, the final thing we need to do is just take our shelf, put that up there, and take a measuring tape and kind of get equidistance between the two halves. We'll go about 7 or so, that'll be about right. Then we just take a couple of small screws. Make sure you get really short ones. This is only 3/4 of an inch thick and you don't want to come through the top. And just a couple of screws to secure the whole thing. And voila, you're ready to start loading stuff up.